That's the sweet spot right there, I think.
Guys, we're gonna cook some rotisserie chicken. I just got today a brand new OnlyFire rotisserie basket. I've had many of these over the years. This one actually impresses me. All right, guys, we're at a place called Rulers. Measure your savings. It's a knockoff of Kroger, but they got these chicken packs for $5. So I'm gonna buy a pack of chicken. I'm gonna buy some potatoes, and I can make dinner for about $7. Let's do this. Here's our potatoes, $2.49, and I like them. They're delicious, especially chicken. All those drumsticks for $5. You can't beat that. Just gonna make it simple. I'm putting a little olive oil on here, just to baste that just a little bit. And what I do on one side, I'm actually gonna do on the other, even though the oil is going all the way through. I'm gonna use a little of Lawrence's seasoning salt. This stuff is really good if you just want to make something delicious and you just don't want to put a lot into it. And a lot of that's gonna, seems like a lot. And then we're gonna use onion powder. I like onion powder. We're gonna use a little bit of garlic powder. And what I do on one side, I'm gonna do on the other side. And then I don't know about you, but I like some pepper on there. Normally I would use a pepper grinder on this, but I'm just in a hurry. You know, everyone's starving and this is gonna take a little bit of time. And then for coloring, guys, I'm gonna use a little bit of Spanish paprika, and that's gonna give it a nice little color right there. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now let me show you how you do this. This is genius, I love this. This goes down here and you squeeze these together. Okay, right here, you just squeeze these together and then it goes in. And so now I can flip it and do the same thing to the other side. You squeeze these and it comes up. And I really, really like that. Guys, this is the second side. I forgot to put the oil, so I'm putting a little bit more extra on there. But man, that's it. And again, with this, we just, we're gonna squeeze the ends right here, and that is solid. So it's not gonna come loose. All your food's not gonna be in the bottom of the fire pit. Guys, here are the rings that I have from OnlyFire. This is the basic ring. This thing is heavy duty. I have no problems with the motor whatsoever. This is the stainless. I went ahead and bought this because I thought it was gonna be better than this one. And actually, they're equal. It's just what color you want. If you want stainless, this is what it's gonna look like. If you want, you know, just the black that's gonna match your Weber grill or whatever you're putting it on. But identical. Slide that in, like that. We're gonna adjust the spit just a little bit over here. And then we're gonna turn it on over here. And there we go. And that is the OnlyFire rotisserie basket. And they are extremely cheap. So if that's something that interests you, look it up. I'll have a link in the description. I'll show you the chicken when it's done, guys. All right, guys, let's see how we're doing here. It's been about 30 minutes. And I tell you what, the chicken is looking great. I also got this from OnlyFire. This piece right here. If you're cooking ribs, you can put them here and you can put them right over your fire pit. This also came with a rotisserie, which is battery operated, but I can use my other motors so I don't have to actually use the battery operated. But this is like if you want to just go over your fire pit, or you just want to kind of stack cinder blocks and put this up. This thing works great for camping.
Oh, we're almost done. Sun's going down right now, and that is looking absolutely delicious. Look at that. Coals are still going good. Grateful. Normally I have to add more coals. Both sides are doing good. I'm just slow and low on this. I'll probably let it go. I like it a little crusty on the outside, so I'll let it go for probably near 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna actually put some pineapples on the side. So we'll have potatoes, garlic bread, chicken legs, and some pineapples.
That looks so delicious, Matt. Thank you, my friends. Looks really good. I have the garlic bread, have the pineapples, and I tell you what, I couldn't be more impressed with this chicken. And I've already snacked on a little bit, and I'll tell you what, it's downright delicious. Yummy. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.